on the track and rolling down to our destination. And just wanted to thank you all for coming. There should be more poets coming along the way. I just wanted to feature the on the tables and the chairs. David, could you cut the music? Just go to, yeah, you got it. He's got it under control. This is the February broadsheet. Every month this gallery puts out like a little magazine thing. On the inside there's a curated selection of poetry by Bruce Weber. Some of you may know Bruce Weber. On the back there's usually an interview of whoever's on the cover and other listings of other galleries and venues in Kingston. And every night of the week, Tuesday through Saturday, there's something going on in this gallery. Tuesday night is cinema night. Wednesday is walk in and dance. Bring your iPod or your phone. Thursday is Mind Train Poetry Sessions. You're soaking in it. Friday is now called Your Stage, which is for special performances, one-act plays, original one-act plays, and some music open mic as well. Saturdays for openings and special performances. We also have a TV show for social media in the works and other great things in development, right, David? So I'm going to open the reading with a poem from a poet that's in the broadsheet. The poet is a personal friend of mine, Victoria Sullivan. She's a poet and playwright, very well known. She's produced a lot of plays off-Broadway in New York City. And this is, I saw this poem on Facebook a little while ago. It's a response to the recent election we just had. It's called Where We Are. It has fallen down upon us, thunder and despair. We know not where to run, nor why, and we don't actually care. We just feel this pain in our gut like acid rain. You feel it too, a sort of nagging darkness just outside your view. It's something called fear, I think, and it lives down by the swamp, right there where animals wither and die. It's a bad place where the hopeless ones wander about with cries of rage. They say they had to wait too long. Their anger turned to hate. They say they didn't mean to make him the king. They just were tired of the slow decay of their little scrawny towns and watching their children go crazy on meth, that sort of thing. They say next time they'll march another way, and we say thanks a lot. But right now we are drowning in the new muck, which looks pretty much like the old muck, only this time it has a snout. Victoria Sullivan.
Yeah.
All right.